Hello, hello friends. Today I am going to take activities of English supplemental material which have been provided for us to enhance and to progress our students in English. So here is a activity named color by letters. I will order to my student Masira is here. Masira, please distribute all the cards to your friends. Nice. Good. Distribute everyone. Distribute for the last bencher. Distribute for the front bencher. Distribute in the middle. Yes. You also take one and put it there. Put it there on the table. Now take your seat. Now I will instruct you about the color by letters. Here are the indication for us. Here is a picture of thing. Which picture is it? Anyone guess? Tell me. Anyone guess? Which picture? You. Stand up, you, Sadia. Which card is in your table? Which card is? This is a card. And this showing notes. This showing notes. When we color all the N, we color all the N, then the object will be appear in front of us. Now this activity just we are taking gradually now. Take your sheet beta and take out your sketch and color it. Here is T. Here is T. So you would be watch first neatly and cleanly. Where is T? So T areas you would be color it. समझ में आया आपके? नहीं समझा तो मैं अब आपको I will understand you in Urdu language. If you can't understand neatly, so you can't do anything. So, dear students, now this is a sketch in my hand and is letter is T. So where is it letter T? Here. So now we will color the letter and the beside of area T we color. Where is T? Now here. T. We will color. Everybody will do like this. You have take different letters. You have different letters chart and flashcard here. Show me your which letters you have. You have P letters. To find, look at the P and the areas of P. So you will be color in the P area letter. जो इसके अंदर आपको टी नजर आ रहा है, तो टी और उसके इर्द गिर्द के जो इलाके को आपको इस तरह से कलर करना है. You will continue coloring. You will continue coloring the T area. जितने भी T एरिया आए हुए हैं, T आए हुए हैं लेटर और उनके एरियाज में आपको कलर करना है. इस तरह से सबको अलग अलग डिफरेंट लेटर्स के फ्लैश कार्ड मिले हुए हैं और उसके ऊपर यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ भी है नीचे कि क्या बन रहा हो. ये टीपॉट बन रहा है इसके अंदर. वो आफ्टर कलरिंग the picture will appear here. वो सामने आ जाएगा कि हमको क्या बनाना है. तो अब अपने अपने पास के चार्ट फ्लैश कार्ड के ऊपर कलर करना है. करेंगे आप सब? शुरू कर दीजिए अपने अपने. नहीं don't talk. If anybody no have color sketch, so you can take from here. You can take from here. You can give to your friends. Yes. You can demand to your class friends. If you have no sketch pen, you can demand. You should give to your friend. You have no. Now start B. ए है, ए को करना है आपको. जहाँ जहाँ ए है वहाँ ए को आपको कलर करना है, पूरे उतने हिस्से को. Yes, you are doing nice.